Hey guys, quick tutorial on how to get data from Google Sheets. We had a user request how to get data from their Google Sheets in order to do some processing and then send that data finally to another Google Sheet. And the way we do this in CheatLayer is we use the sendAjax function. SendAjax, the final parameter in the sendAjax function, actually allows you to specify callback code that you can run on the response. So this allows you to get data from any source, run some code on it, and then send it to any other source. This allows you to link scripts together to basically automate any workflow automation task. And to start, what you want to do is go to the Google Sheet that you want to get data from, and then click Publish to Web, Share, and then Publish to Web. You'll get this URL, but the important part is you want to get this ID out of the URL, right there, and then copy it into this script that we'll have on a CheatLayer website that you can copy into your CheatLayer extension. So copy your ID into this part of the URL in the script. And the important part is that it outputs to a CSV. This allows you to get the data in a comma-separated format and then parse it for processing. And so this is the data that we're going to use for this example. This was actually requested from a specific user who wanted to scrape this data from Google Sheets to do some processing. And we're going to do something unique here. We're actually going to run another script on each one of those links called the Shopify script, which is saved here locally, that basically does some scraping on that data and then sends that data finally to another Google Sheet over here. So we can see we're up to 36 here, and we're going to try and run this script. And what it's going to do is get all those links from this Google Sheet, run that Shopify scraper on each one of those links, or at least the first 10 for this example, and then finally send all that data to another Google Sheet. So let's start. And here we go. You can see it's opened up all these Shopify scripts. It's going to start running a code on them, and then as soon as it finishes running the code on them, we'll see it populate. Oh, and here we go. So the whole task only took a few seconds, but it's populated our final Google Sheet by taking these links from this Google Sheet, processing it on each one of those tabs, and then sending that data finally to another Google Sheet. And so this is a full round trip from Google Sheets, and hopefully this helps you automate your workflow tasks. If you have a specific example that you need help with, feel free to send it to support, and we can edit these scripts to make sure it helps you automate your business, save you hundreds of hours per month. Thank you.